Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can backup Snapchat. So firstly open up your Snapchat application, then go to your profile at the top left corner, then again click at the settings icon at the top right corner, then scroll down until you find memory, then click on memories, and now in there you will have two options. One is save button and the other is auto save my story snaps. So first I will go to save buttons. In this setting you have three options. You can save memories, camera rolls, or both of them. So for me I choose camera roll and memories. And now I will just simply go back and then I will click on auto save my snap stories. And now I will just simply click on auto save to memories. And that's all. There is no more need to save anything. Now your memory and camera roll will automatically be saved. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.